So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a little bit about the Requel Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. It is a non-comedogenic all skin types, and this is a mineral sunscreen. This has a tint. The tint is quite deep and it is meant for deeper tones and not for lighter tones. But yes, I will just give a mini review, and also in the second part of the video I will tell you how to reapply the sunscreen. So yeah, let's get
The wipe out lethal, switch it up. Ayy.
on my shelf. There are some products which I don't go and grab every day, and this is one such product which falls under this category because it has some points which I'll be sharing with you. Coming to its mechanism, I did send a mail to Requel Sunscreen team and they are yet to get back, so let's wait.
You could try to pull me.
Coming to the effectiveness of the sunscreen, I did mail to Requel team and it's been quite some days and I have not yet got any response from them, and that's why I doubt whether it is effective enough and whether their sunscreens are certified enough to be called as SPF 50 triple PA triple plus. Now the second thing which I don't like about the sunscreen is it gets like accumulated on my eyelids here and around my eyes. So whenever I apply the sunscreen, it does get accumulated, and yeah, when you're outside and if you're not aware, like you can't obviously always wipe your eyes, and yeah, it does get accumulated, and obviously you need to protect your eyes as well when you're applying the sunscreen. It is tinted and the tint is meant for deeper skin tones, and I will put a video in the later part of the video where you can see like it is actually meant for deeper skin tones, and this is the tint actually. It doesn't suit all skin tones and it does feel like some makeup being applied onto your skin. And the problem is when you are applying a sunscreen, you are supposed to apply a quite amount because otherwise it won't give you protection. And if I apply a small amount and apply onto my face as a baby cream, then it won't give my protection. Then in that case, what is the use of applying a sunscreen onto your face?
You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it. Yeah. Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it. Yeah.
So that is why I didn't like the sunscreen. Otherwise, obviously I do like all the ingredient list and all of them are quite good. Apart from that, they have also added some antioxidants and all of those, which is completely good. And I think if they're coming up with tinted sunscreen, they need to come up with many other shades so that it suit all skin types, and also they need to take care of the formulation because it does get accumulated on around your eyes, which I didn't like. Also the formulation, I don't know how it works. It needs to get absorbed onto your skin so for the sunscreen to work as well. So that is why I didn't like it. Coming to the second part of the video, how to reapply your sunscreen. So yeah, let's get started. Now coming to the later part of the video, how to reapply sunscreen. If you like dewy skin, I think you won't like it. India being a tropical country, it is quite hot in most part of India, and that's why I obviously will go for the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact Non-Sticky Sun Protection, and I do like reapply it on my skin. Like whenever I'm going out, I do take this powder and just reapply across my face, and that is how I am using it. Okay, I do like it. I don't know whether it gives ultimate protection or not. I have still not sent a mail to Lakme. I will confirm and I will let you guys know whether it is tested or not. Now coming to the responses I got from all the sunscreen brands. The first being Glenmark. Glenmark was good enough to send a response to me and confirm that their sunscreens are tested. So, and all the Lashil sunscreens falls under the brand Glenmark. So obviously you can go for all the Lash Oil sunscreen because their sunscreens are tested and I've got it confirmed. I did mail to Requil, I didn't get response. I did mail to Sun Pharmaceuticals, I didn't get any response. But anyways, coming to sunscreen in the summer, I do absolutely feel that you can go for this Nivea Sun Protect Moisture SPF 30 or even 50 for your body. It is a very good sunscreen. I've been using this for the past few days, and though I don't go out often, I do just use it on my exposed part of the body and use it. As you can see, it is having that white cast, a little bit of white cast I feel, and it does feel very cool on application. This sunscreen is good enough in moisturizing and best to be used on the body rather than on the face because it has some amount of fragrance. So if you want to go for a body sunscreen, you can definitely go for this, but otherwise always protect your hands with a full sleeve t-shirt or a shirt or whatever it is, and do a deeper colors. Now why I am wearing this black t-shirt is because black does absorb the sun rays and it is converted into heat, and that's how sunscreen works. So if you wear a white colored t-shirt, the sun rays are reflected back and it can cause more UV damage. So that's why even though you feel cool while you're wearing a white t-shirt, because the sun rays are just reflected back and that's how the white color is being like shown. But still I would ask you to go for a deeper color when you're going out if you are too much concerned about all these things. But yeah, obviously if you are playing outside, you want a white color t-shirt so as to feel cool, because you have to stay for quite a long time in the sun. So yeah, I just wanted to say about that. And also I have purchased one sunscreen from VLCC, and yeah, I did mail them. They have sent a response but they have not yet confirmed. They said like they will be reverting back after getting through getting to their research team, and they will send me mail. I will update you guys on that. And yes, that was all about today's video. I did want to have a very chit chat kind of sunscreen video, and I will come up with more sunscreen videos because I feel like sunscreen is one of my favorite things to discuss about, and I think it is the most basic necessity. So I think the cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen are the three things which we should absolutely have. I've been doing sunscreen videos for such a long time on my channel, and yes, I do feel good that even in my 30s, after using sunscreen for such a long time, I do feel like yes, my skin is really in a very good state, and yeah, I do enjoy it. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Let it go. Let it go. Switch it up. Switch it